Wow.
So, my name is Andy Anderson. We're in the California Skate Park's training facility, and in this facility, they have everything you need to train. They got coaches, people here filming, they got Olympic judges, they got homeboys. Yeah. They got foam rollers, they got yoga mats, they got everything. They got monkey bars and exercise balls. So, wow, they got a lot more than I thought they had. They got dirty, used yoga mats.
Hold on. Hey, you gonna teach me something right now, dog.
You gotta get on the
Anderson
training regimen, Nigel. I'm pretty sure this is exactly what happened at Venice.
You ready for this?
No, not at all.
Yo, we're gonna start with some sun salutations.
Okay.
You know what that is?
No.
So this is very, very generic and basic yoga, and you gotta move with your breath. So like, try to reach your toes.
How do you do that?
But like, actually try, just
I'm literally actually trying.
And then breathe out all your air, and then try to go further as you breathe out. Okay, ready for this?
Wait, you can touch your toe. This is the only way I'm touching my toes.
No, we got this. This is a sun salutation.
Okay.
It's like 10 moves or something.
All right.
Okay, breathe in, put your arms up, and then breathe out all the way down. Breathe in. You gotta straighten out your back. So you gotta
Straight. Yeah. See.
So like your shoulders gotta be straight. So you have good posture, but come down as far as you can. Yeah, like. Oh yeah.
Okay.
And then back down. Put your hands on the ground and go into a plank. Slow, like push up, and then hold it there, and then you go like this. All good for your back and stuff. And then up here. And you just walk out your legs.
Mountain climbers, baby.
Yeah.
Mountain climbers.
So squeeze your shoulder blades together and just like dip your head down. And then you walk back up. Stand up all the way. That's one.
That's one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I feel great. That was good. How many are we doing?
We'll do about 5.
All right. I'm following you.
Okay.
This is the greatest thing I've ever done. I need Andy in my life forever. You're like the army. Like, I need that discipline. Like, in the army, it was like, all right, you have to work out, you have to stretch, you have to do all that. Handy, he's like, you gotta do it.
Dude, if you end up going to a yoga class, they'll make you do this thing like so many times.
Really?
I know one person who knows a lot of stretches is this guy right here. You got some stretches for us, bro?
Just do the one that I was teaching you.
Dog, there's no way I'm doing this.
Dude, it feels insane.
You got it, dude.
You got it.
There's no fucking way.
Try the other side.
Wait, let me try the other side. Maybe. I just can't. There's no. All right.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Yo, I got some easy ones for you.
Oh.
Yo, what up? Yeah, bro. Where do you feel it?
I'm feeling good.
Where? Where do you feel it?
All in here. Hold on. Yeah, there's all of this area.
Yeah, you feel
All that here and all of that.
Yeah. You use these very often?
No, I never.
Dude, these are so fun.
Really? All right.
So like try this outside part. Like for me, that's really painful right there.
Oh. I've never used this before.
So it just like squishes out all the knots.
Oh my god.
No, but the one thing I do for my ankles is you spell out your name.
Yeah, you were telling me that. I've been practicing that like at the house, and I'll just sit there and I'll get to like G, and I'm like, ah, and I'm gonna stop.
No, it's so good for it, dude. It's so good for it. I gotta still do this leg right here. These are the foam rollers for when you can't handle a full foam roller.
Yeah, if I had one of these at the house, game over.
Oh yeah. So one of the first times I ever came to this park was for a competition, the Nitro Circus Games. I did pretty well in that contest, but that was figuring out this bowl took a minute. This bowl is a little different. It's a little trippy. It's not like your everyday bowl.
How so?
Well, it's built to Olympic standard, so it's got maybe 9.5 foot maximum height. It's got pool coping, metal coping, but the lines are very interesting. And the spine's like a bank spine with a big round top piece of coping and a hip that just kind of kicks out of nowhere. The lines are very individual. It's not necessarily what I would expect from an Olympic training facility bowl, but it's cool because it keeps you on guard and it has everything you need to learn anything you need to learn. So, and yeah, let's do it. Oh yeah, we got Lincoln down there. Lincoln's one of the head coaches for all the Olympic qualifying competitions. Pretty cool that he's here, helping people out, you know. Here's that weird spine I was talking about. I don't think I've ever seen a spine like that anywhere else.
It is interesting.
What's that?
It is interesting.
Yeah, it's very, very particular. Yeah. Okay, see if I get my bow legs. Okay, I'm just trying to understand this bowl again. Gotta relearn this place.
Wow. Wow.
Starting to warm up, starting to feel it. Come on, Andy, warm up. The best skaters are the best fallers, and when you know how to fall properly, woo, it's pretty sick. It's like doing parkour, falling properly, that is.
Wow.
It's actually insane how much stuff I've done here, bro. Like, see all those marks up there?
Yep.
They look like bike tires, but it's really my wheels.
Is that you?
No,
Oh, I was gonna say.
This guy Liam Pace, he's like the master. Liam, he can go up there and like, psh, but he skates with all BMXers, so he has that inspiration.
Yeah.
What is my line to jump over that booter? So you pump there, pump around.
So how do you figure out a run like this? Just kind of picture it?
Yeah, you gotta picture it. And if you're not very good at picturing it, then you do what I'm about to do is, I wanna launch over this, it's called a box jump. I wanna launch over the box jump coming this way. So to find the best line, I'm gonna roll over the box jump going that way and figure out where it takes me and follow it in reverse.
Yes,
A little too
sir.
fast.
You said too fast?
Way too fast.
Woo!
Okay, now I gotta get comfortable with doing a backside air on this with that much speed. Here we go. Chicken, 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 chicken. Okay, I'm gonna work my way up to this. I'm gonna roll over that and then backside air.
How is it?
The bowl?
Yeah.
It's amazing.
I'm gonna do one more and see where it takes me. Okay, right here, proper line. Throwback to Nitro Circus.
Oh my god! Yes, sir!
There we go, there's a
That was
line.
amazing.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
All right.
Okay, last trick on this spine thingy.
Well, all right, guys. Sir Andy, absolutely destroying things as always.
Aw.
It's a pleasure to have you on the channel. It's a pleasure to skate with you.
Dude, it's a pleasure to stretch with you.
Thank you for stretching me
that
out.
was a
Feeling
beautiful
great.
moment.
That That was great.
You make me feel flexible, bro.
You're very flexible.
Thank you.
I appreciate that. He killed it. He always kills it. Some videos to my left. Check them out. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Oh, Andy. On Instagram. Authentic Andy.
Anderson.
Is it Authentic Anderson?
Authentic Andy Anderson.
Authentic Andy Anderson.
Oh.
You'll be seeing a lot of this guy.
Oh, so much.
Till next time.
See you later.
Woo!